What if I say Meghnad is one of the most misunderstood person in Ramayana? Hi, today we will be decoding the human side of Ramayana. We will talk about one of the most important characters of Ramayana. Was he a victim or a villain? Yes, we are talking about Meghnad. What if I say Meghnad is one of the most misunderstood person in Ramayana? Meghnad was a very powerful warrior. He even beat Lord Indra, the king of Devas. That is why he has got a name Indrajit. Meghnad believed in doing lot of prayers and pujas. From those pujas, he got Mayavi Shakti through which he can become invisible. He was known for fighting with Mayavi Shakti where he became invisible and he fought and bet his enemies. Was it correct as per Yuddha Dharma? Meghnad was fiercely loyal to his father Ravana. Even when Ravana committed adharma by bringing Sita, he did not oppose it. He stood by his father, not for this act, but he was very loyal to his father. When Lanka Yuddha started, Meghnad was very fierce and nobody could stand in front of him. Then they realized only way to beat Meghnad is interrupt his puja. Incidentally, Meghnad will never enter into a war without doing his Mayavi puja. And if he does that, then enemies cannot stand in front of him. So they planned to interrupt his puja, and that is the only time he is the weakest. So Lakshmana called him for war when he was in the midst of the puja. In spite of the fact that Lakshmana knew disturbing someone in a puja during any time, even in war, is wrong. But that was the only way Meghnad could be beaten. And as per Yuddha Dharma, if you are called for war, you have to come and fight. You cannot say, I will come after some time. Meghnad had no option but fought very bravely, continuously, non-stop with Lakshmana, and finally succumbed in the war and he died. Now, the question is, was it right on the part of Lakshmana to call him for a war when he was doing puja? Wrong. But then Meghnad also used Mayavi techniques where he became invisible and bet his enemies. So, in my view, he was paid back in the same coin. To conclude, we will say that Meghnad is a very great warrior, still remembered for his Yuddha Dharma skills and Mayavi skills. But as far as I am concerned, anybody who uses wrong technique in life may end up in a way where Meghnad's life ended. Loyalty and adharma don't go together. If you are in the side of adharma, you will have to pay the price finally. I would request you all to comment on this video of your views, and if you have liked this video, please press like and subscribe to this channel.